Last time on Junior!
Hey, young man, I see you flying by yourself today. Yes, we're going to see me Auntie Ivalin in Farin. I see. Well, just give me a shout if you need anything. Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones. We are drop a bomb.
Wait there, I who say bomb?
Bam!
A
We
bomb
are go
them
dead!
real,
We are go dead!
What
What
is
is
going
it?
on?
You
You
fi
fi
beat
beat
them!
them, beat them, whoever
Set
set
them
them
up!
up.
No! Don't take away my visa! Don't take away my visa! Junior, wake up! I dream, yeah, I dream. Mommy! Alright, never mind. Just come get up and get ready for school. And you see later, when I can watch you till me reach home. You hear? Wendy, that real?
What you mean if that real? What I talk about, Junior?
Wrestling pan the TV, it real?
Oh, no, Junior. I play, Them a ramp rough.
Okay, Wendy, you can play with me.
Play what, Junior?
Wrestling, me want ramp rough too.
Junior, you serious? We can't play wrestling.
Well, me I can tell mommy say you nah play with me, and she nah go pay you.
Alright, Junior. Come, we play wrestling.
A few movements later. But wait, what is going on here?
Miss Mavis, is not what they look like.
Junior, me no tell you when me have people I watch you. You not try stop wrestle them. Bojo, are you that? Hello, how are you doing this morning? No, it's not Bojo Bantan. It's me, Jacob, your mother's no companion. Compan Me, I am mother, no man. Oh, so what that you are eat? I am intaking veggie chunks. Do you want some? It's good for your soul. I eat smell, sir. Or you smell, sir? You listen here. Look like you need some discipline. And look like you need to discipline some soap and water and go bathe. Hey, liquor boy, don't let me lick you. Why for your lick argument, Bujo? Why for that? Me no tell you, say me no name Bujo a Jacob. Watch what me I gonna do to you. What you gonna do to him? Mavis, he need some discipline. Discipline him, and me I gonna discipline you. Yes, no. Spanish tone. Mummy, I gonna beat you with it. Junior, stop it. And Jacob, me tell you not to cook no veggie chunks in here. You stink up the whole place. But Mavis, what me I gonna eat? You not do enough eating last night.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What? You really are gonna talk to Rasta, sir? And in front of you too? Me can't believe you gonna say that in front of your youth. And me can't believe say you are ball in front of me youth. And I just a little joke me around Jacob. Just a little joke. Mommy, what's the joke? Come Junior, come go a shop for me. Mommy, me say come go a shop. Okay, class, who can tell me what is 3 multiplied by 2? Miss. Yes, Junior. Squash. But that don't even make no sense. Yes, miss, because the 6 is real. The 6 is real? Junior, we can't take your foolishness today. I'm going to send you to the principal office if you act out one more time. Okay, miss, can you spell principal? What? Okay, Junior, I will spell it if you stop with your foolishness, okay? Yes, miss, spell it. Principal. Miss, you lose it today, you know. Me say spell it. I-T. Stop it, class. Stop the laughing now. Junior, go to the principal office. No, I don't want to hear nothing. Junior, they send you to my office again. Why them send you all the time? I don't know, miss. Oh, me bring you one banana chips. Me know say your favorite. Oh, Junior, you're such a nice boy. I don't know what's wrong with your teacher. I have to have a talk with her. You know, every time she does this, and you're so nice. Yes, she always a talk about say me unruly and how me need discipline. Really? I don't see what she talking about. Yes, like my auntie Evelyn would have said. Exactly. Mommy, what this? Excuse me? Anyway, your auntie sent you this for your birthday, so you can go in your room and play with it. But make sure you take your time, because you're too destructive. Everything you mash up. Every time you get your mash up, Junior, you can't just take your time with them. Anyway, go along and play. Wagwan, me name Chucky. You want ram? But wait, what I got along in here? Junior, me never just talked to you already. And you mash up the toy already. Me tell you, say you're too destructive. How you manage if you mash it up already, Junior? Mommy, guess what? The tie come to life and ask me if he want ramp. So we start ramp and then he want play one game called I the Soul. But me not in a that. So me have to done him, mommy. Me have to done him. Me not tell you if you stop tell Andrew. Me not tell you if you stop tell Andrew. For little boy, you too lie. And you too destructive. You say me not buy you one next time in ya until you start behave yourself. Cause you too destructive. You know what? Me no want hear nothing from you for the rest of the night. Piss and go on your bed. But mommy, me say go on your bed, little boy. Me no want hear it. Hello, church. Hello, everybody. And hello to the demon them. Mommy, yes, you never know demon me come hungry. At church. The long hand demon them. And them come at church, them too long hand. And not give no money. And expect the church Mommy, to run right. This the church run done. Money. In a run pan street alone. I know Jesus provide, but you must provide to the church and yes, help of the church. Stop being me demon. Can't get your phone. Demon them. It can't stand, oh no. Yes, Pastor Grimes can't stand, oh no. You know, I mean, look crazy right now. It smell like somebody poop. Yes, it's me attack. No, come every Sunday with your too long and look at your hand, them stretch them out. Me want go home. Empty. Go for listen me, you demon. Me no want see you the next week. Me want sleep. Your pocketbook, go with your wallet. Yes, me know you no get paid. I didn't know give you died. Mommy, you not done talk yet. Get blessing, you can't get blessing. So listen to Pastor Grimes. Mommy, me belly hurt me. Me want go to the bathroom. Stop by the child. Wanna spear in the rod and spy the child. Me can't stand it. Mommy, why that lady look on me? Nice. And this and that, and them not behave themselves, and dip on the phone, and not listen to Pastor Grimes, and your demon